Hi, my name is Emma, and I'm a third-year student at NYCPM. And here I have a colleague as well, and I'm going to let him introduce himself.
I'm Cody Anderson. I'm a second-year resident at Southwestern Vermont Medical Center, and this is my second year here at this summit.
Okay. Hey, Cody, can you just let us know what do you think about the conference this year?
So far, it's good. Like I said, this is my second time here, and always learning new things, always meeting new people, always a good experience. I think it's good for all people, whether you're a resident or a student, to come and kind of check it out, because you're always going to find something maybe you didn't know before. Yeah, the workshops are actually probably my favorite part about the conference for me as a resident, just because you get some hands-on experience working with different materials. So maybe some of the things you might not get to do every day as a student even, you're kind of able to do here. And if you screw up, it's okay, because it's not a real person. So yeah, it's a really good experience.
Okay, and how do you think attending the workshops at this conference every year has influenced your practice as a resident at your program?
Again, I think it helps a lot. Just anytime you're able to get any sort of practice in is going to help have more confidence when you're going to actually do it on a real person. Because some of the materials that we use here, even some of the graphs I've been able to use in practice. So it's been good. It's been helpful.